Let's have a little fun with spray paint and this little tool tackle box from Dollar Tree. I know y'all have seen these. They are super cute and perfect for a makeover. Hey guys, I got this little plastic toolbox that I think is going to be super cute for a gift for Barry. So I am going to rust it up and then put some of his favorite things in there. After sponging on a few colors, I decided that I was going to paint it red because all I could think about was a rusty red toolbox. Actually add a little bit of red in here too. I actually ended up painting all over it, and I used 2 coats of red chalk paint. It actually covered very well. Listen, I know y'all are like me. You start a project and then you change your mind to make it look a little more authentic. Because we know we like those red toolboxes. Y'all, this is a fun, messy project. Okay, so this is the bronze. And now I'm gonna grab some of the brown. Putting it in the corners here. And then I'm gonna grab the cinnamon. And I'm gonna kind of rust as I go. As you can see, I didn't paint the bottom. And there's our rust forming. See, I need a little bit more brown paint. And a little black. Make some good rust. And I just keep dabbing on the different colors, the black, the brown, the rust, until I get it the way I want it. And this is where you can totally use your creative eye and add as much rust and different paint colors as you'd like. So I'm going to let it dry. And then we're going to fill it with a gift. Smells so good. Here's our rusty tackle box. And I went ahead and add a little bit of rust to the top of it. And now I'm going to add a little gift tag. But before I do that, I am just going to kind of wipe it out. Make sure I don't have any excess cinnamon. And what I did was I took the whole box outside and sprayed it with a clear matte sealer. That way I'm not losing cinnamon anywhere. So I've got a gift card, and look, this is to Bass Pro, but it could be to anywhere. And then favorite chocolate and a t-shirt that I did with our vintage truck on it. So I'm going to kind of roll this up. This turned out so cute. And on the door I put, good things take time. So I'm going to kind of, like I said, roll it up and put it in here. And then put the chocolate in here. Let me see, maybe right there. And then the gift card. And then I'm going to close it up. Whoops, I'm gonna have to lay this stuff a little flatter. Chocolate on top, always, right? So here's our little gift box, and y'all, I'm going to use this to decorate with. He doesn't know this yet, but this is a 2-in-1 gift. Gift for him, a gift for me too. So, you know, and listen, y'all, he's not like a package saver like I am. He doesn't save his bags and stuff like that his gifts come in. So after he gets his gifts out, I'm going to take the box and I'm going to add some faux greenery. These are kind of stuck together. Now you could actually add, you know, real plants in here because it's plastic and it's not going to hurt a thing. So I'm going to stick these in here. And y'all, have you not seen the old rusty toolboxes with plants in them? I mean, look how cute that looks. That's cute, isn't it? Okay. So let's go ahead and make his tag. I'm going to let him have the box for a few minutes anyway. And we've got this best father ever. And y'all, he's never had a mustache. And he's never wore a derby hat. So I'm just going to do the word best ever, I think. Or maybe father. I don't know. I think maybe just best ever. Best father ever? Okay. Best father ever. And look, if you don't have a fuzzing cloth, you can use your shirt. And I'm putting it on this black tag. So I'm going to do the best father. And then I'm going to move it up and do the ever. Because I'm not going to do the mustache because he's like, never had a mustache. He has tried several times. So I'm going to grab a squeegee. Isn't this so stinking cute? Look, I hope I'm not the only one that kind of thinks about what we're going to do with the stuff after. Like the packaging after. But I'm just squeegeeing across in the open screen area. And just like with this transfer, with all of them, you can use all or part of whatever you want. So best father. And then I'm going to put the transfer back on my backer sheet. Just like this. So that I only have the word ever exposed. But I'm going to dry this so I don't mess it up. I'm just tickled the way that toolbox, or I guess it could be a toolbox or a tackle box. I'm just tickled with how it turned out. And you don't have to blow dry everything. I'm just on here trying to get this done quickly so y'all can so I can give you an idea. Okay. And now I'm going to put the word ever right here. Just trying to make sure that I'm not in that mustache area. And the transfers are kind of see-through, so it's easy to do. Okay. And this already has like a little piece of twine on it, but I think I need one longer. In that spot where you put a like a lock. Okay, these guys have to wait until after he opens his gift. Okay, so now let's put our gifts back in here. He'll be excited to see that Bass Pro. He'll be excited about everything. He is easy. Okay. And so now I'm just gonna put this through here and then through the tag. Whoops. And I'm just gonna tie a a simple knot, because I know we'll be cutting this off later. And I think we need just like some kind of rough looking bow, don't y'all? Something like this. So it doesn't look necessarily like a bow, but you and I both know it's a bow for Barry. I'm just gonna put it up here and tie it on with twine also. Hey, it's the simple things in life, isn't it? Like bows for Barry. Okay. So there we go. The gift is ready to be presented. And then I can't wait to get my hands on it to put my stuff in it. Thank y'all so much for sharing. Thanks for watching. And thanks for hanging out with me. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.